How to add caption to GIF in Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and log into your account. Then click on the server where you want to add caption to GIF. Now at the top, click on the server name. You'll find these options. Click on server settings and click on add directory. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on apps and then click on search button at the top right. In there, simply search ESM. Then click on ESM bot, which is the first option. Then click on add app in here. After you've done that, add your server where you want to add caption to GIF and press on continue at the bottom. Then press on authorize at the bottom as well. After it's authorized, you can simply go to your server and tap in /caption. Click on it. Then add from which text you want the GIF to appear. Click on +7 more. Then click on link. I have this GIF at the top. Simply right click on the GIF. Then click on copy message link. After you've copied, simply paste it beside link. Now you can press on enter on your keyboard and you'll find this GIF with the text you've written. And this is how to add caption to GIF in Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.